6 more weeks of winter on the way, unfortunately, according to the famous groundhog, Punxsutawney Phil, who did see his shadow this morning. The prediction comes as millions deal with bitter cold and snow. Reynolds Wolf joins us from Charlotte, North Carolina, with the latest check on conditions.
I'm meteorologist Reynolds Wolf, coming from the Queen City, Charlotte, North Carolina, where, well, the skies are clear. That's good. But if you look all around you, you got some snow. They had a record snowfall over the weekend. 11 inches of snowfall broke a daily record. And really the heaviest snowfall they've had going back to 2004. So it has been more than a minute. What's amazing, though, is over the next several days, we can expect temperatures to go up. And as they do so, a lot of what you see here in terms of the snow will be gone. However, there are some problems that remain. The governor has urged people to stay off the roadways for today and let nature do its work. Certainly, they have been doing their job. Some 1,200 crews around the state trying to treat some 80,000 miles of roadway. So it's been a very tall order, but if you can do your part and stay off the roads, that is what the governor is asking, and that certainly is what we advise. Reporting from Charlotte, North Carolina, Reynolds Wolf, the Weather Channel.